Awakening of insects. Jingzhe is the third of the 24 solar terms in the traditional Chinese calendar. It is celebrated each year around March 5th-6th of the Gregorian calendar. Jingzhe literally means awakening of insects, because, according to Chinese tradition, insects begin to awaken from their winter slumber at this time. Jingzhe also marks the beginning of the germination and growth period for plants and crops. It is therefore an important time for agriculture and life in general.
This sentence depicts the beautiful scenery of sunset glow and river water. The beauty of the sunset glow and the winding river water reflect the magnificence and harmony of nature, and also express the poet's admiration and awe for nature. The brilliant red of the setting sun of olden days describes the spectacle of dusk. When the sun is about to set, the sky and clouds present a variety of colors, and the last rays of the sun are the most beautiful. Olden days refers to the moment when the sun is about to set, and brilliant red describes the beauty and splendor of the sunset, giving people the feeling of the magnificence and beauty of nature. The spring river winds between the fingers, and the water flows east describes the view of the river water. Spring river refers to the river water in spring. Winds between the fingers indicates that the river water is winding and flowing slowly, as if flowing between the fingers, and the water flows east indicates the natural scene where the river water flows eastward, describing a natural and harmonious image. Overall, this sentence expresses the wonder and vividness of natural beauty, reflecting the poet's admiration and awe for nature. At the same time, this sentence conveys a warm, romantic and natural atmosphere, allowing people to feel the poet's sensitivity and delicacy. New sprouts of grass mix and laugh. The mists and rains of Jiangnan are hazy and mysterious. This sentence expresses the vitality of spring and the unique climate phenomena of the Jiangnan region. New sprouts of grass grow and compete with each other, as if they are laughing and blending together, full of vitality. And the common climate phenomena of the Jiangnan region, the mists and rains, give a dreamlike sensation and a sense of calm and serenity. Overall, this sentence expresses the poet's praise for nature and his love of life, highlighting the beauty and magic of nature. This sentence expresses a relaxed and carefree state of mind. Following the rhythm of the wind means following the movements of the wind, perhaps by following the twists and turns of a river and adapting to the direction of the wind in nature. Intense rain flowers means that the rain is dense and forms many small water droplets. Here, rain flowers probably refer to splashes of water in a river. Chanting songs and pouring wine, sitting under a boat canopy means enjoying the wonderful scenery. The entire sentence conveys a relaxed and free state of mind, depicting the peace and comfort that people enjoy in such a beautiful natural environment, emphasizing the symbiotic harmony between humans and nature. Hongmao refers to the feathers of wild geese, which means they are very light. The beginning of this sentence, "Wild goose feathers tear the sky and earth," expresses an ultimate strength and speed, as if a mysterious force is tearing the sky. The floating clouds of the deep ocean seek the traces of immortals gives an impression of searching, metaphorically a person searching for the destination of their soul, seeking the traces of immortals, and searching for the truth of life. At the same time, it also reflects the state of mind of a person pursuing freedom and unconstraint. The complete meaning of the sentence is, even the light feathers of wild geese have the power to tear the sky and earth, while we mortals seek our soul in the pursuit of freedom and unconstraint.
Awakening of insects. Sunset, bright red hue, captivating moment. The spring river winds eastward, offering a bewitching sight. Young shoots, vigorous and joyful, compete while laughing and growing. Amidst the mist and rain, the southern atmosphere becomes a fleeting dream. Dense rain in small drops, dancing wind. Admire the sublime landscape, sing and drink on the sailing boat. Wild goose feathers, mysterious force tearing through the sky. Mortals seeking soul and truth, pursuing freedom intensely. Awakening of insects. A setting sun, a crimson flare, an enchanting trance. The springtime river winds to the east, a captivating dance. Young, vibrant shoots compete and grow with joyous laughter, through mists and rains, the southern air, a vanishing dream hereafter. Dense raindrops falling, wind in a trance, a dance so beguiling. Admire the sublime landscape, sing and drink, the boat beguiling. Wild goose feathers, a force so fierce, ripping through the sky with grace, mortals seeking truth and soul, pursuing freedom's trace with a fiery embrace.
Awakening of insects. Written by ZhuLine. A setting sun. A crimson flare. An enchanting moment rare. The springtime river winds to the east. A captivating sight so fair. Young vibrant shoots compete and grow with joyous laughter. Through mists and rains, the southern air. A vanishing dream hereafter. Dense raindrops falling. Wind in a trance, a dance so beguiling. Admire the sublime landscape. Sing and drink. The boat beguiling. Wild goose feathers. A force so fierce. Ripping through the sky with grace. Mortals seeking truth and soul. Pursuing freedom's trace with fiery pace.
Awakening of insects. The sun descends, a crimson hue, a rare enchantment, ever anew. The springtime stream winds to the east, a dance of beauty, an enchanting feast. Young shoots grow, with laughter so bright, a joyous competition, a heart's delight. Through rain and mist, the southern air, a dream elusive, beyond compare. Raindrops fall, the wind's a trance, a beguiling dance, with captivating glance. Admire the landscape, sing and sip, the boat's beguiling, on the water's rip. Wild goose feathers, a fierce force so bright, ripping through the sky, in flight with might. Mortals seek truth, with fiery pace, freedom's trace, their souls embrace.